You know, I have to ask you, how's your marriage?
I think we need a break.
What's the matter? I'm gonna have to pull over and almost on empty. Is it the Warwick? I mean, I know I've not been around so much.
I don't actually know what it is.
So you don't know what's wrong. We know what happens when you're unfulfilled. We've been there.
I don't feel anything anymore.
Looking for my wife. You didn't see a woman in here?
I don't know.
Lisa! Lisa! Lisa!
Is she here?
No, she's not. She's with you.
Weren't you supposed to drop her off there?
1 minute she was there, the next minute she was gone.
Did you have a fight? Is that what this is?
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I would like to report a missing person, my wife.
I need the camera footage from surveillance.
Camera's been busted a couple weeks.
You said the camera's not working? That's live. What's going on here?
I got no video here, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, okay, thank you.
What is going on here?
Who's that man? You ever had an affair?
No, I haven't had an affair.
Does your wife?
Where is she?
Step out of the vehicle for a minute. Do you mind popping the trunk, please?
Yeah, I'm a simple guy. I don't have any special skills. No Secret Service, no Special Forces. But if someone harms my wife,